Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard without using heavy cream. You might think heavy cream is essential, but it's not. We'll explore how to achieve that rich, velvety texture using readily available ingredients. You can use whole milk or even 2% milk for a creamy result. For those seeking dairy-free options, almond or oat milk are excellent substitutes, offering a delightful flavor and consistency. The foundation of a great custard lies in its milk and egg base. For every 2 cups or 500 milliliters of milk, aim for 2 to 4 egg yolks to achieve a rich consistency. Gently warm your milk in a saucepan, ensuring it reaches just below boiling. This prevents scorching. Remember to temper your egg yolks by gradually whisking in some warm milk before combining everything, which prevents them from scrambling and ensures a smooth custard. To achieve the perfect thickness and stability in your custard, a thickening agent is key. Cornstarch or all-purpose flour are excellent choices. For every 1 cup of liquid, mix about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a smooth slurry. Slowly whisk this slurry into your warm custard mixture while it cooks over medium-low heat. Continue stirring constantly until the custard visibly thickens, usually within 5 to 10 minutes. To truly perfect your custard, consider adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract or the seeds from 1 vanilla bean for that classic, comforting flavor. For an exceptionally smooth texture, strain your finished custard through a fine mesh sieve. Always cook your custard over low heat, stirring continuously with a wooden spoon. This prevents lumps from forming and ensures the eggs cook evenly without scorching, giving you a beautifully consistent result.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.